Greetings everyone. I'm making this video to inform everyone that my father, Arnie Teves, has been kidnapped earlier today at around 8 p.m. Timor-Leste time. At around 7 p.m. he already had information that a private aircraft was scheduled to fly over to Timor-Leste, and then at 8 p.m. immigration officers arrived at his residence and picked him up. They just picked him up without documents, without warrants, or any form of legal documents. They just came in forcefully. They took him out forcefully, and right now, as we speak, he is still in the immigration building in Timor-Leste, being held illegally by the immigration officers, also surrounded by Timorese police.